Hey, everyone. Mama, that's my niece calling me. What is it she wants?
Mama.
Now that she took off, let me continue. Okay. Let's see what exercise are we working with. We've got to write a program that asks the user for their name and how many times to print it. Okay, the program should print out the user's name. The specified number of times. Okay, so let me just go username is equals to eval input, enter your without a J, of course, your name. Once I've retrieved a user's name number of times, this is another variable I need. Input, and then I'll simply put enter number of times. I prefer starting each word with a capital letter. Okay, what else do I want? What else? Here's what I will name exercise. I'll simply put a 8 there. Okay, now that I'm done doing that, again, recall you guys the reason why I'm creating these solutions. Number of times. Number of times. Okay, I'll simply print the name a certain number of times. Okay. My name. Really. I can be super stupid sometimes. I do not want to convert the user input for the name into a number, so I've got to exclude the eval function. I only want to do that for the second variable. Now let's go again for without an S. I want to display my name 10 times. So this is the exact thing we have. You see, you guys, I'm about to immediately I'm done. Oh, in fact, I'm already done. So right after this solution here, I am planning on giving you another one on this exercise here. However, there's something that I want you to comment on, so please make sure that you check it out. Why? Because this is one of the it is one of the mistakes that beginners usually do. Okay, I'll be pointing it out. Matter of fact, you'll be the one to point it out. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next solution.